halohydrin formation is basically going to be identical to that of halogen addition. The pi bond is going to react with the halogen, creating a halonium ion and a halide anion. This time, instead of the anion reacting as a nucleophile, water is going to react as a nucleophile. And why is the halide anion not going to react? Well, we would use a different solvent for this reaction. In a reaction where we wanted the alkene addition to be that of halogens, we would use something like carbon tetrachloride, where there is nothing else to react with this except for this. So this will be the only thing that could possibly happen. Where if one uses a different solvent where there's a lot of water or some other nucleophile, then this has a higher probability of occurring, especially if we use a small amount of halide. So this will react as a nucleophile. And here's another interesting question to ask here, just to test and see if one is getting a good understanding to view organic chemistry from the perspective of the electron. If there was a substituted carbon, say these weren't hydrogens, let's say this one was let's say this one's degree 3 and this one's degree 2. Which one is going to react with this? Just think about it. It's going to react with the more substituted carbon, because this is seeking positive charge. If this over here is only fighting with 2 other carbons, then it has a hydrogen or something else that carbon is stronger than, then this will be able to have more electron density about itself. Whether this one has 3, then it's going to have a harder time keeping electrons about itself. So it will react with the more substituted carbon. And when it reacts, it's going to have the same kind of stereochemistry as the alkene addition. Since this is an attack of the backside of a carbon, they're going to be on opposite sides of each other. And if we look on the Fisher diagram again, it's a really ugly diagram, but we'll have the halide and then we'll have the alcohol like so. We have the water on here, then another water comes over, abstracts this proton, and we have a halohydrin.